From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert was born in 13 November 1850 and he was born at 8 Howard Place, Edinburgh, Scotland, England. He was a Scottish writer, poet, essayist and a travel writer. He has written various writing, but his most famous are Treasure Island, Kidnapped, Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Now let us proceed towards the lines of the poem. From a carriage, railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle. All through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. So here I begin the stanza. There are two stanzas. So in the first stanza, the poet is describing the sight that he notices while he is traveling in the train. So what he says is, he says that the train is running very faster. It is faster than the ferries, those imaginary creature, okay, with magical powers. That means those witches, and they can fly, and the fastest they can move than the witches. Okay. Now the train is moving or rushing its forward like the wave, like the soldiers are attacking the enemies, like how the soldiers usually attack the enemies. Okay. And in the battlefield, and it is rushing on, leaving behind the bridges, the houses, the fences and the ditches, the drainage that are on both the sides of the road. And they are also passing through the green fields where the horses and cattle are grazing. Now the poet is further saying that the train is crossing all the scenes of the hill and the plain as quick as one drop of rain follows another drop in the storm. They are very fast. And in the next moment, the train is passing through railway stations with a whistle, and the stations look like a painted pictures. That means coming one after the other. Okay, it looks like a painted pictures because it is not still, it keeps on moving. So once you see the vision, it's fine, it's gone. Now the next vision. This is actually when we ourselves experience when we are going to the train and when we sit very nearby to the window, like window seat, right? So what we experience is shared by the poet Robert Stevenson. So the next paragraph, what he says is, the poet is also seeing a child who is climbing a steep ground with great difficulty through the window of his compartment. He is watching everything doing this through the window of the compartment. He watches the child. So now when this child is climbing, he is also gathering some blackberries. Okay. And when the train is moving very forward, the poet would also see a homeless person who is looking at the train with amazement. He is very happy to see the train. And he also sees some ladies in a common village who are grassy land making garlands with daisy flowers they are making. That is also seen by the window, from the window of the compartment of the train. Now the poet then sees a cart full of load with a cart driver sitting on the top of the load, moving slowly on the hillway. And now, while traveling in the train, he also is getting a glimpse of a mill and a river by its sides. All these objects appeared and disappeared so quickly that the poet could only get a glimpse of them and they can never be seen again. I said because they have already passed through. So they are not able to see again and again. Okay, so this is all what the poet sees, and his experience has been shared when he is traveling somewhere through train. So this is our own personal experiences. So this is all about the poem on a railway carriage. So I hope the poem is clear to you. Now further discussion will be done through question answers, which will be uploaded very soon. Okay, thank you children.